हेलो बच्चों, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक हाउ टू ऐड एंड शोकेस योर पोर्टफोलियो ऑन लिंक्डइन 2025 अपडेटेड के बारे में है। तो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वांट टू शोकेस योर वर्क ऑन लिंक्डइन, लर्न हाउ टू ऐड एंड डिस्प्ले योर पोर्टफोलियो इफेक्टिवली to attract recruiters and clients. Hey, have you ever wondered that maybe having a good profile isn't just enough to get you that attention your desires or LinkedIn? In such as career world that thinks that can give you that extra push. Take a guess, give you 3 seconds. The answer is having a LinkedIn portfolio. What's that you ask? I telling you all that and more. To summarize, a LinkedIn portfolio is a collection of your skills, experience, and achievements. Sounds interesting? Keep reading and you'll know more about what is a LinkedIn portfolio. What can you showcase on a LinkedIn portfolio? How to add portfolio to your LinkedIn profile. Tips to spice it up so it can stand out, and LinkedIn's portfolio best practices to stick to. Now, if you are ready to get some attention on LinkedIn, let's begin. What is a LinkedIn's portfolio? A LinkedIn's portfolio is a section on your profiles where you can showcase samples of your work to give viewers a quick understanding of your abilities. You can add the content such as web links, images, videos, presentations, and more to represent and your skills and experience visually. The content you add can be a collection of everything in a folder. A website link, PDF formats, presentations and videos, publications, and more. Here's what it looks like. It can be a valuable addition to your LinkedIn profiles. Do you know what else can be? Anyways, a LinkedIn portfolio displays your skills and accomplishments. It's a structured format. Also, it's easier for potential clients, hiring managers to quickly understand what you do and how you can help them. Now, you may have an immediate questions. What to showcase in a LinkedIn portfolio? Your LinkedIn portfolio should showcase your best work and achievements. You can add job updates, accomplishments, and future career goals. Screenshots of your design's website. Links to your writing samples or actual samples. Interactive presentations, stuff relevant to your career, and basically anything relevant to make things clearer. Here's exactly how you can structure it section by section. About more detailed information about your professional journey, resume a page dedicated to your resume, including a downloadable versions, work showcasing some important projects, skills and services. Listing your key skills and any services your offers. Testimonials featuring recommendations and testimonials from clients or colleges. Contact a straightforward ways for people to reach out to you. A great way to make the most out of your LinkedIn's future section is to structures and combine everything consciously with me so far. Great. Now, if you've been as curious and asking yourself how to actually get it up on your profile, keeps reading How to Add My Portfolio to LinkedIn under 3 minutes. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to upload portfolio on LinkedIn. Go to your LinkedIn profile and select Add Profile section. Click on Recommended and Local Add Features. Here, that you can add once you done it, save, and you're good to go. It will take 3 minutes only. Now to give your portfolio there's X factors you can try is incorporate some visuals. How to incorporate multimedia into your LinkedIn portfolio. You may ask, why should I add media files to my LinkedIn portfolio? As you know, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Visuals can convey ideas more effectively than writings. You can engage potential customers by adding more images, infographics, and videos. When showcasing visuals, ensure that they complement your personal branding. Emphasizing your professional personal branding helps to convey a more genuine and human approach. Here's what you can add to make your portfolio better. So, how much content exactly can you share? Here's the answer. How much content should I share in my LinkedIn portfolio? While share no limits to the amount of content you can share in your LinkedIn portfolio, you must stick to the basics and keep it professional. A brief portfolio will make it easier for pupils to filter thoughts the noise and know exactly what they're looking for. Showcasing your LinkedIn portfolio best examples, there are really only one way for showcasing your portfolios on LinkedIn. Did you guess it? Grabbing pupils' attention as best as you can. Yes, that's right. The only skill you need to is to know how to get pupils hooked. And TPH, anyone can do it. It's not rocket science. All you need the titles, information, and creativity gives out free information updates. Relevant ones obviously. If you have information that can help pupils on or out of your industry, you can write it down in a post or share or link with a catchy image. Hard to ignore, trust me. First, the line matters. You might think it doesn't, but it does with the amounts of short form content being consumed by everyone on a daily basis. If your first line doesn't catch their attention, you're just gonna get ignored. Building curiosity is your best bet. This makes it harder for readers to move away from your post. Show them the words you got up front. Yes, no selling, no bluffings. They also create a sense of safety amongst pupils, knowing that you know what you're doing. I know you might have questions in mind. Let's answer some common FAQs related to our LinkedIn portfolio. Top FAQs: how do I present my portfolio websites? To modify your profile's website, go to your LinkedIn homepage and click the Me icons at the top. Select View Profile. Click Contact Info in your introduction sections. In the Contact Info window, click the Edit icon. In the Edit Contact Info window, to add a website, click Add Website. Enter the URL in the website URL field and select a website type from the drop down. To remove a website, click Remove under the website you wish to delete. Finally, click Save. What are the 5 key things a LinkedIn portfolio should include? Here are the 5 key things a LinkedIn portfolio should include. A detailed summary of your skill, experience, and goals. Accomplishments and awards. Elements, work examples such as presentations, reports, or case studies. Absorbments and recommendations. How do I upload a project to LinkedIn? To upload a project on LinkedIn, you must create a portfolio. Here are the steps. Go to your LinkedIn profiles, click on Add Profile sections. Click on the recommended drop downs and select Add Projects. Fill out the forms with the project name, description, skill used for making the projects, and any relevant media such as images or videos, and save. Skills. We recommended adding your top 5 used in these projects. They also appears in your skills sections. Media. Add media like image, documents, sites, presentations. Let's more about media files type supported. How does Portfolio Showcase work on LinkedIn? LinkedIn's Portfolio Showcase allows users to showcase their work and skills by creating a personalized collection of projects and experience. A portfolio showcase aims to help users stand out from the crowd, show their professional accomplishment, and makes it easier for others to see their expertise and potential. Once you have showcased your work on your LinkedIn profile by adding a portfolio and optimizing it, you can commence your outreach efforts and boost your lead generation success. If you can to generate leads thoughts LinkedIn, I suggest you start this journey using Sales Robot to automate your manual outreach and connect with your target audience. Wanna know more about it? Let's talk. You can also try it out for 14 days. There's no need for any credits, card details, or phone numbers. Conclusions. Yavi, you made it to the end. I hope the learned some things new about LinkedIn portfolios. The aims to showcase your valuables and authoritative content on your profile. You should always go for a mix of content highlighting your skills, achievements, creativity, and experience. Additionally, you can add relevance and attention grabbing content, media content such as screenshots, PDFs, blog posts, link, and more. By following these tips, you can captive employees, recruiters, or customers and increase the aesthetics appeal for your LinkedIn profile. That is from me today. Toodles. See you on next video. Take care. Bye.